No, my lord, the incident happened on 24th of October in 2023.
Yes.
The incident of rape.
What?
If your lordship turns
Incident
to page
of?
40, the incident of rape.
What is the age of your father-in-law?
Father-in-law
1 minute.
lives in the same
No,
house.
no, no. He should not leave because
Absolutely not.
he is trying to commit rape upon you because this is the allegation.
Hey, please, your lordship, my lord. This is my application, my lord. This is the affidavit of service. My lord, I am a septuagenarian, 70-year-old man. My lord, I have been driven out from my house by my son.
Janababu, service টা নিন.
I've been driven out from my house by my son and my daughter-in-law. I lodged repeated complaints to the police.
For the private.
Yes.
I filed repeated complaint with the police. The police, what they do is, my lord, they register a missing diary against me, which is registered by my daughter-in-law. And they registered a case filed by my daughter-in-law under 498 and 376 against me. But I am out of my house. My son and my daughter-in-law is staying there. But
And the house is recorded in the name
my
of?
name. But I have built it. I have been given that land. There's no dispute about that also, my lord. But the son has totally taken it with the daughter-in-law, my lord. But I am staying somewhere else in some rented accommodation.
Respondent number 5 is the?
Respondent number 5, my lord, is this son.
Daughter-in-law.
My lord, daughter-in-law.
6 is the son?
6 is the son, my lord, and 7 is the mother-in-law, my son. My lord, I have registered complaints. My lord, will kindly see. My lord, the complaints are at page number. My lord, first complaint, my lord, 32. But I registered a complaint that I am being tortured by my son and I am being driven out because he wants to grab the property. But I registered with the police, my lord. The next complaint, my lord, I register is on, my lord, page number 37, my lord.
What is page 30? I see some certain amounts mentioned
My lord,
over there.
these are what, my lord, my son takes charge of my ATM card and passbook. My lord, when I go to my bank to get money, my lord, I see my every pension money has been withdrawn by my son. So, my lord, my client gives me a list of dates and time when he withdraws
What does
this
your
money.
son do?
Nothing, my lord.
Nothing.
Enjoys, my lord, on my money.
Daughter-in-law, does she do something? No.
But this is, my lord, my pension is deposited in my bank account. But I have annexed that slip also, my lord. That I am a pension holder. But that is at page number, my lord, 26, my lord. I am a pension holder. My lord, my money comes into
Who
the
has
account.
the keys of the locker?
My lord, they took the gold.
Everything.
But now I am, my lord, all I want, my lord, is to at least get my house. I want to stay in my house, my lord. I repeatedly request the police. The police does, my lord, interestingly, registers a missing diary against me. I am before the police almost on a regular basis saying that give me some protection. They register a missing diary against me. And a complaint, my lord.
Where is that diary?
My lord, kindly see page number 40, my lord.
40.
Well, this is the complaint registered by my daughter-in-law. After all the complaints I had registered on the 16th of November, my daughter-in-law registers a complaint and it is registered under section 498A 376. My lord, 354, 506 and 5406 against me, my lord. My daughter-in-law registers, my lord, this complaint. This is the complaint, my lord.
Are you a widower?
Yes, my lord. But this is the present situation, my lord. But I am living in some tenanted accommodation in some other area so that I do not come across them, my lord.
My lord, the daughter-in-law lodged this complaint. This is on 16th of 11. My lord, the allegation.
What does the daughter-in-law do?
My lord, she runs some tuition classes is what I have.
And what does your husband do?
My lord, he has some job.
Which job?
My lord, that I have to take instruction on.
You did not take instruction?
My lord, he has some private job. I do not have the details.
My lord, and you did not think it was required?
No, my lord, the incident happened on 24th of October in 2023.
Yes.
The incident of rape.
What?
If your lordship turns
incident
to
of?
The incident of rape. My lord, if your lordship
committed
turns
by the petitioner?
By the petitioner upon the daughter-in-law.
70 years old.
My lord, if your lordship turns to page 43.
What is the age of your father-in-law?
My lord, he is a septuagenarian.
He is a septuagenarian.
My lord, he has, my lord, I have on record.
What is your age?
My lord, she is in her 20s.
20s.
Yes, my lord.
All right.
My lord, I have on record that the father-in-law, he chats with several women and he, my lord, sends.
Is it a problem to you if he chats?
No, my lord. My lord, what I am trying to place on record before your lordship is that, my lord, he has tried to commit rape upon the daughter-in-law. He has also tried to kill the daughter-in-law, tried to strangulate it. And this I have placed on record before the police. My lord, I have filed a complaint before the police on 16th of
You are presenting the husband also?
Yes, the husband, the daughter-in-law and the mother
5,
of
6
the
and 7.
Yes, my lord.
Right?
Yes, my lord.
The house belongs to? the
But
petitioner?
I have no problem that the father
1 minute.
lives in the same house.
No. He should not leave because
Absolutely not.
he is trying to commit rape upon you because this is the allegation,
Well,
right?
that is an
It is
allegation.
his house. Let him stay and you move out.
Well, very well, then my lord, I'll place on record
No,
certain
don't
chats
place anything on
and
record.
obnoxious things that he has done, my lord.
Let him do it. It is his life. He'll enjoy it his way. Who are you to say what your father-in-law will do? Do you have any right to say? You don't. Let the husband find out a place to take care. And you have your mother. She's also there with you. Stay somewhere else. How soon will you vacate the house?
My lord, but this has been filed in
How soon will you vacate the house?
My lord, that I'll have to take instruction.
I'll keep it next Monday, Tuesday.
Yes, my lord.
Take instruction. I want you to go out and the person to come in.
Very well, my lord.
Because the house is his and he has the right to stay over there. And if your allegation is that he intends to commit rape, you should not stay over there. You should move out.
My lord,
to
he
a safer
has left
place.
on his own volition, and I have stated that in my complaint.
He wants to come in.
My lord, I have stated that in my
He
complaint.
will come in. He will come in.
My lord, very well, but my lord, the mother, the son-in-law, the son, the daughter-in-law, and the mother-in-law of the son did not force him to leave the house.
Certainly not. You all go out. Right? Please come. The petitioner is a septuagenarian. The respondent number 5 is the daughter-in-law. Comma, respondent number 6, the son, and the respondent number 7 is the in-laws of the respondent number 5. Allegation of the petitioner is that the son and daughter-in-law have forcefully driven out the petitioner from his own residence. Stop. The son. Where is the ATM card now?
With him, I have registered
Where
a
is the
complaint.
ATM card?
On 3rd of November, I registered a complaint that he has
The ATM
taken.
card should be here in court on the next day.
My lord, I'll have to take instruction on the ATM card as well.
কি বললাম is that ঠিক আছে সেটা তো হলো তারপর আচ্ছা the son has also taken away the ATM card of the petitioner who is a pensioner and is regularly withdrawing money from the pension account without the consent and information of the petitioner. Stop. Several complaints were lodged before the police, but the police is not taking any action in response to the same. Stop. It has been submitted that the daughter-in-law lodged a complaint before the police station, and the police registered an FIR under sections 498 capse /376 is it 514?
51, but 511 and
511
attempt
511 /354 /506 /406 IPC. Stop. Next. আচ্ছা একদম উপরে সেপ্টেজেনারিয়ান যেখানে বললাম and a widower. ঠিক আছে the petitioner right now is compelled to reside at a rented accommodation. Stop paragraph. Learned advocate representing the private respondents submits upon instruction that the petitioner voluntarily moved out from the subject premises, and accordingly a complaint was lodged before the police. Stop. It has been submitted that the petitioner also tried to commit rape upon the Respondent number 5. Stop. Next. It has been submitted that the petitioner is in touch with various other women
my lord.
of the locality.
My lord, he sends these photographs online. These are private chats.
I didn't get it.
My lord, he sends certain, my lord, obnoxious photographs online to certain women.
How do you get to know? Does he send it, forward it to you?
My lord, I have it on record.
How do you get to know? You snoop up on his phone, take the phone from him and then see.
No, my lord.
Then how do you get to know? Did anybody complain to you that, see, your father-in-law is doing such a thing? How did you get to know?
My lord, that I'll have to take instruction on.
Didn't you think that these are the required information which you ought to have taken prior to appearing in court?
My lord, I've got the photographs and everything on record, my lord.
Where from are the photographs coming?
No, these are screenshots.
From where?
From the phone.
Whose phone?
My lord,
father-in-law's phone. Why do you look into father-in-law's phone? What intention do you have? So your malafide intention is absolutely clear. Paragraph. Yes, thanks, bhai. Yes, yes. The learned advocate for the private respondents seeks to produce before this court photographs which the private respondents collected from the mobile phone of the petitioner. Paragraph. As the house in question is recorded in the name of the petitioner, comma, the petitioner has every right to reside over there. Stop. The private respondents ought not to be bothered by any private communication made by the petitioner with whoever he wants to. Stop. Next. As the private respondent has raised an allegation of rape, allegation of attempt to cause rape. Achha, private respondent number 5. Accordingly, it may not be proper for the private respondent number 5 to reside at the same place. Stop. The private respondent numbers 5 and 6 ought to find out an alternative accommodation to move out and let the petitioner reside peacefully in his own house at the fag end of his life. Stop. Next. Let the matter appear in the list once again on 19th of June 2024. Stop. Learned advocate representing the private respondents shall shall file an undertaking by way of an affidavit disclosing the time within which they would vacate the subject premises so that the petitioner may be put back in his own house. Stop. Next. The ATM card of the petitioner shall positively be brought to this court on the adjourned date. Stop. The private respondents are restrained from withdrawing any sum from the bank account of the petitioner. Stop.
I'm grateful, my lord. I'm grateful.